Gemini, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies for you ngayong full moon in Scorpio sa May 13, 2025 at 12:55 a.m. Philippine time. Ayan. So, pwede itong mas makaresonate sa mga Gemini rising, although pwede rin namang makaresonate ang mga Gemini sun and moon. So, for you, Gemini, itong full moon is happening in your 6th house of your health, your daily routine, yung work mo rin, no? Yung mga pang-araw-araw mo na ginagawa. This can also be about pets. So, for some of you, kung meron kayong pet, na let's say may aso kayo or pusa na alam nyong matanda na, no? At medyo nanghihina na. So, maaring may possibility na you might be letting go of your pet. Okay? I know this can be like bad news for others, pero ganoon talaga minsan nangyayari talaga yon. Nangyayari talaga yon. Lalo na kung due to old age, okay? Kasi there's so much emotions here. Kasi 6th house is also about your pets. However, kung wala ka namang pet, this can be about your iyong kalusugan. Maaring meron kang ile-let go na unhealthy habits. Maaring magfo-focus ka sa yung kalusugan, no? Oo. Meron kang realization of the things na alam mong hindi naman na nakakatulong sa'yo, physically, mentally, emotionally. So, you might be letting go of that. Kasi may magbabago sa mga habits mo, sa mga day-to-day activities mo. Some of you, mas maganda na yung you're going to have a healthy diet or merong mas exercise kayo ngayon, ganyan. You want to remove anything na kind of toxic sa buhay mo. Lalo na yung parang toxic na mindset or alam mo na, so you want to live a clean life or a healthier life. Some of you pwede rin kasing 6th house is about workmates. Pwedeng meron kang iiwasan na katrabaho na alam mong hindi magandang influence sa'yo. So, or iiwas ka sa issue, gulo. Meron tong opposition sa 12th house mo, which is in Taurus. This can be clarity sa mga bagay na yung parang nung una hindi mo tinatanggap kasi parang feeling mo hindi naman siya big deal, hindi siya malaking issue, 'di ba? But I feel like some of you are undergoing major spiritual awakening in terms of yung pananaw mo sa buhay, can also be your spirituality, can also be yung belief system mo rin, maaring may nagbabago. And meron ka rin nadidiscover tungkol sa sarili mo na alam mong kaya mo palang gawin. So, maaring nadidiscover mo yung iba mo pang talents, yung skill set mo. Ang Taurus kasi, that's the energy ng that is your 12th house, no? Taurus sign. This is about stability, resources. So, maaring mas nagiging resourceful ka rin. You will focus on yung mga bagay na ano pa yung pwede mong palaguin para sa sarili mo, like your job, your business, and even yung iba mo pang, can be other sources of income as well. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong kakayanan na kumita ng pera dahil sa paniniwala nyo or philosophy nyo. Example, meron kang sariling filosofiya or mindset na very, ang tawag nito, yung parang marami kang matutulungan dahil maganda yung konsepto na naiisip mo na pwede kang mag-create ng libro and eventually, no, bibilhin nila yung libro. So, kikita ka doon. Or e-book. O kaya naman, mag-share ka ng mga courses mo online. or gagawa ka ng content na may kinalaman sa iyong belief system or sa spirituality. You are being guided right now sa career path, or like, ang 10th house kasi hindi lang siya sa career but also your reputation as a whole, no? Kung paano ka makita ng ibang tao. So for some of you, maaring may pagbabago sa personality mo or the way you show yourself to the world. It's like you are reinventing yourself sa pamamagitan ng pagiging mas healthier or someone na mas disiplinado. What is the energy ng 6th house? The 3 of Cups. So this is friendship and also connections. So maaring mas lalabas ka ngayon, magja-jogging, meeting new friends, new connections. So it's not going to be easy for some of you, lalo na kung sanay kayo na sa bahay lang or sanay kayo na hindi kayo nakikisalamuha sa iba. What is the 12th house energy? The 2 of Swords. May mga bagay na gumugulo sa isip mo. But in the long run, no, you will find clarity, the truth. Meron ka malalamang katotohanan about yourself, about yung iyong maaring ito'y related or konektado na sa yung life's purpose and your destiny. What is the 10th house energy? 2 of Pentacles. Multiple sources of income that's going to bring financial stability. So, maaring meron kang susubukan ngayon na bagong source of income, bagong trabaho, bagong racket, bagong side gig. Diba? Let's say meron kang trabaho, 9 to 5 job, tapos gusto mo subukan yung content creation, affiliate marketing, or anything na pwede mo pang pagkakitaan. So, kakaririn mo rin yan. And this will bring you more sources of income. Work through your fears. Oh my God. So, kung ano yung mga bagay na kinatatakutan mo, kaya ayaw mo subukan or gawin, yan, aayusin mo yun. Tatanggalin mo na yung fears mo. Because the answers you need are coming. Ayan, palabas talaga. Padating na yung sagot sa mga gumugulo sa isip mo. Maaari kasing iba sa inyo, kayo ay merong major decision na gagawin related sa trabaho nyo or related sa pang-araw-araw na ginagawa nyo. Like a major change. Okay? Kung dati, hindi ka gumigising ng maaga, ngayon, mas gigising ka na ng maaga. So, you want to change your routine na something that will improve you, improve your life, improve your health, improve your mindset. Maaring mas magbabasa ka na ng libro ngayon. Kung dati, lagi ka inaantok, di mo na binabasa. So, it's like you changing yourself to be better. And people will notice that. Mapapansin yan ng nakararami. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.